Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check the balance on your KFC gift card. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to kfc.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log in to your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to KFC. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to KFC videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official KFC website where we have a lot of things going on. In the top left corner, we have the menu where you can see the menu with delivery and in restaurant. We also have restaurants, we have coupons that you can then use on the site, and we have a career where you can go and start your KFC career, where you can go and start working for KFC. In the middle of the screen, we have delivery and KFC collect, order, and pickup. Over here, you can go and enter a city, street, and house number to start your order. And here we have some KFC recommendations where you can go and see all of the things that they recommend. In the top right corner, guys, we have, when you click on your name, we have everything about your profile. So we have your orders. We have your, as you can see, you can place your order first here, your details, invoices, permissions, and we, of course, at the end have the log out button. Now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check the balance on your KFC gift card. Well, for balance inquiries, call 1-800-467-2274. The balance you receive when viewing card balance. Over the telephone is estimate only. In most cases, the balance is adjusted immediately when you make a purchase, but there may be occasions when balance adjustment is delayed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.